How to draw Pinecone from Pinecone and Pony, step by step. Hey, what's going on everyone? So for the first step, we're going to begin by drawing a big line that looks similar to a curvy W towards the top center of the page. And just in case if you were wondering, this will actually be the hairline. Nice! Next, connected to the right side of this line, we're going to want to begin to draw the right side of the hair. However, we're not going to finish this just yet. Now from this point, we're going to draw the outline of the face by drawing a big curved line that will connect from the first line that we drew that looks similar to a W all the way over to the hair. So as of right now, we only have one small piece of the hair drawn. So let's go ahead and finish drawing the outline of the hair, beginning on the left hand side and working our way all the way over to where we last left off. Oh, and if you're new to the channel, then welcome. I upload step-by-step drawing tutorials on a regular basis, so if you're looking for a new place to draw, then you're in the right spot. On the inside of the hair, there's going to be detail by using small lines, however I'm not going to add that detail in just yet. So now on the inside of the hair on the right hand side, let's go ahead and draw the first and only ear that we'll be able to see. So let's just draw a small curved line going up and down with a backward C line attached to it. Fantastic! Now right above the ear, we're going to want to draw a headband by using two long curved lines going from left to right. Fantastic! So far we're making great progress. Now let's go right below the hair and let's begin to add some detail to the inside of the face. Let's begin by drawing the nose. And if I ever go too fast, then feel free to pause the video. Now on the left and right hand side of the nose, let's go ahead and draw the eyes. Are you all done drawing the eyes? If so, let's continue. For the next step, let's go right below the nose and let's draw the mouth. For the outline of the mouth, I'm just going to draw a small shape that looks similar to an oval. And on the inside of that oval shape, we're going to draw a simple set of teeth. To draw the teeth, we're going to want to draw two lines that are slightly jagged going up and down on the left and right hand side of the inside of the mouth. Nice! Now above each of the eyes, let's draw the eyebrows by drawing small curved lines. So Pinecone has a huge big blue piece that goes around her neck. Let's go ahead and draw this big blue piece right now. Then, attached to this piece on the left hand side, we're going to want to draw the left hand side of the hair. And if you're enjoying today's video so far, then be sure to give it a big like by hitting the thumbs up button right below. Next, let's go ahead and draw the big shirt of Pinecone, which will attach from the left hand side of the hair all the way over to the right. Now attached to the hair on the right hand side, let's go ahead and begin to draw the right arm along with the right hand. Drawing the hand is a little complicated, so be sure to pause the video or rewind if you have any issues while following along. So keep in mind that Pinecone has these huge muscles, so let's go ahead and draw the big first muscle on the right arm by making a big curved line. Now let's hop on over to the left hand side and draw the second arm and hand the exact same way that we just drew the right. Whoa, this is coming along very well. Now we're pretty much done drawing the entire upper body. All I've left to do here is to color. So now let's go right below and let's draw the outline of the legs attached to the shirt. Now that we have the legs drawn, the next step will be to draw the high heels that Pinecone wears. So let's begin by drawing a small shape that looks similar to a small rectangle beneath each foot. Now the next part might be a little complex. For this next part, we're going to draw the design of the high heels wrapping around the leg. For this design, on each leg, we're going to draw a total of 4 rectangular shapes, 2 going one way and 2 going the other. Now let's do the exact same thing on the left leg. Thanks for watching How to Draw Hub. This is How to Draw Pinecone from Pinecone and Pony. If you want to see more videos just like this, then be sure to subscribe. And if this video helped you out today and you enjoyed it, then be sure to give it a big like by hitting the thumbs up button right below. Great job today and thank you for drawing with me. See you next time. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.